Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by gathering credentials, your address, password, and, if known, IMAP/POP and SMTP server names. Open the Mail app and choose Add Account from the Mail menu. Pick your provider if listed to speed things up. If your provider isn't shown, select Other to enter settings manually. Once done, Mail will prompt for your email and password. Enter them carefully. This first stage gets authentication started and determines whether Mail can auto-configure settings for you. Now complete the core settings. If Mail didn't auto-configure, choose IMAP for syncing or POP for download, then type incoming host, port e.g. 993 for IMAP SSL, and enable SSL if required. Next, enter the SMTP outgoing server, port e.g. 465/587, and set authentication to use your email credentials. Make sure the account name and description match what you want to see. Once you hit save, Mail will finish by sending a test message to yourself and refreshing Mail to confirm both sending and receiving work. Ensure sent and drafts map to server folders. If messages don't sync, open account settings, go to Advanced, and adjust ports or SSL options to match provider recommendations. Make sure authentication is set to password or OAuth as required. If authentication fails, try re-entering credentials or create an app-specific password in your email account security settings. That usually resolves blocked sign-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.